Hey folks, welcome back to High Plant Repertoire. Today we are going to try the Beyond Breakfast sausage. And I'm going to cook some hash browns to go along with the sausage. I've tried cooking these using both methods, on the stovetop in a skillet and in the oven, and I prefer cooking it in the oven. Just place them frozen on a baking sheet. Cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. No fuss, less mess. Pretty simple. I give this a 3.5 out of 5. This is not a health food, but it is another plant-based option for those looking to transition away from traditional meat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and join me on this journey as I try to build a healthier and kinder cooking repertoire.